What's your opinion on CCTVs and camera not being good security?
CCTV is good, don't get me wrong. And I mean, a very, very good friend of mine runs a CCTV company, and, you know, they're absolutely excellent. And they go and do their own surveys and things like that. But over the years, when we've gone in to do a security survey of a company, we've identified that CCTV cameras that have been put in 3 or 4 years beforehand either weren't working, or they're hidden behind a false wall, or shelving or something. So the systems haven't been tested.
Really good. I like that. In terms of evidence gathering, why is surveillance perfect for that?
I think over the years, I mean, the same sort of jobs were done years ago, but it wasn't surveillance. You took a few photos, and the courts accepted that. And then obviously some of the photos will get challenged because you can only show so much in a photo. So they would challenge. And so then as technology developed, we started doing more and more surveillance with you know, literally recording everything. Obviously you've got to be careful with human rights and things like that for other people appearing in the footage. But the truth of the matter is, a picture never tells, you know, a picture tells the truth.